Welcome to Quiz Park. Test your knowledge with fun and exciting snack quiz questions. Let's begin the challenge. Can you guess this popular Indian street snack? It is a samosa. Can you identify this crispy fried snack? It is a pakora. Can you guess this salty potato snack? It is French fries. Can you identify this thin crispy snack? It is potato chips. Can you guess this light crunchy movie snack? It is popcorn. Can you identify this rolled fried snack? It is spring rolls. Can you guess this steamed dumpling snack? It is momos. Can you identify this cheesy crunchy snack? It is nachos. Can you guess this fast food favorite snack? It is a burger. Can you identify this cheesy slice snack? It is a pizza slice. Can you guess this layered bread snack? It is a sandwich. Can you identify this famous Mumbai snack? It is Vada Pav. Can you guess this buttery spicy street snack? It is Pav Bhaji. Can you identify this soft steamed snack? It is dhokla. Can you guess this stuffed crispy snack? It is kachori. Can you identify this tangy water snack? It is pani puri. Can you guess this puffed rice snack? It is ghel puri. Can you identify this crunchy chaat snack? It is sev puri. Can you guess this potato-based snack? It is aloo tikki. Can you identify this fried patty snack? It is a cutlet. Can you guess this stuffed bread snack? It is bread pakora. Can you identify this ring-shaped fried snack? It is onion rings. Can you guess this bite-sized chicken snack? It is nuggets. Can you identify this sausage bun snack? It is a hot dog. Can you guess this folded Mexican snack? It is tacos. Can you identify this wrapped filled snack? It is a burrito. Can you guess this twisted crunchy snack? It is pretzels. Can you identify this sweet ring snack? It is donuts. Can you guess this soft baked snack? It is muffins. Can you identify this small frosted cake snack? It is cupcakes. Can you guess this chocolate baked snack? It is brownies. Can you identify this crunchy baked snack? It is cookies. Can you guess this tea time crunchy snack? It is biscuits. Can you identify this cheesy puff snack? It is cheese balls. Can you guess this cheesy stick snack? It is cheese sticks. Can you identify this toasted bread snack? It is garlic bread. Can you guess this simple crispy bread snack? It is toast. Can you identify this flaky buttery snack? It is croissant. Can you guess this soft breakfast snack? It is pancakes. Can you identify this grid pattern snack? It is waffles. Can you guess this cold sweet snack? It is ice cream. Can you identify this sweet cocoa snack? It is a chocolate bar. Can you guess this stick candy snack? It is a lollipop. Can you identify this colorful sweet snack? It is candy. Can you guess this wobbly sweet snack? It is jelly. Can you identify this creamy dessert snack? It is pudding. Can you guess this mixed fruit snack? It is fruit kite. Can you identify this hot corn snack? It is boiled corn. Can you guess this crunchy nut snack? It is roasted peanuts. Can you identify this spicy nut snack? It is masala peanuts. Can you guess this Indian mix snack? It is tivda. Can you identify this crunchy spiral snack? It is murukku. Can you guess this crispy banana snack? It is banana chips. Can you identify this tapioca crunchy snack? It is tapioca chips. Can you guess this thin roasted snack? It is khakra. Can you identify this soft flatbread snack? It is thepla. Can you guess this soft steamed rice snack? It is idli. Can you identify this crispy lentil snack? It is medu vada. Can you guess this thick dosa snack? It is uttapam. Can you identify this famous South Indian snack? It is masala dosa. Can you guess this raptic snack? It is an egg roll. Can you identify this chicken wrap snack? It is a chicken roll. Can you guess this Middle Eastern wrap snack? It is shawarma. Can you identify this fried chickpea snack? It is falafel. Can you guess this dip with bread snack? It is hummus with pita. Can you identify this folded cheesy snack? It is quesadilla. Can you guess this crispy fish snack? It is fish fingers. Can you identify this spicy chicken snack? It is chicken wings. Can you guess this round meat snack? It is meatballs. Can you identify this baked roll snack? It is a sausage roll. Can you guess this stuffed flatbread snack? It is stuffed paraha. Can you identify this fried coated snack? It is a corn dog. Can you guess this light puffed snack? It is rice cakes. Can you identify this healthy bar snack? It is an energy bar. Can you guess this oats-based bar snack? It is a granola bar. Can you identify this mix of nuts snack? It is trail mix. Can you guess this dry fruit snack? It is dry fruits mix. Can you identify this creamy sweet snack? It is custard. Can you guess this syrupy white sweet snack? It is rasgulla. Can you identify this brown syrupy sweet snack? It is gulab jamun. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this snack quiz and had fun playing along. Share your score in comments, like and subscribe for more quizzes. See you in next video.